Today I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF from landscape to portrait using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you've received a document in the wrong orientation and need to adjust it for proper viewing or printing. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your documents and tools. This is your starting point for any PDF editing task in Acrobat Pro DC. Now navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF document you want to convert. Your recent files should be displayed prominently on the home page, making it easy to locate the file you need without having to browse through folders. Once you've found your document, click on it to open it in the main workspace. With your document open, look over to the left panel where you'll find various editing tools. Click on Organize Pages. This tool is essential because it gives you full control over individual pages within your PDF, allowing you to rotate, delete, or rearrange them as needed. Next, click on the specific page you want to convert from landscape to portrait. You'll see the page highlighted once selected, indicating that any actions you take will apply to this particular page. This is especially helpful if you're working with a multi-page document and only need to rotate certain pages. On the right side of the selected page, you'll notice a rotate button. This is the quickest way to change your page orientation. Click the counterclockwise button to rotate the page 90 degrees. Depending on your starting orientation, you may need to click it once or multiple times to achieve the portrait orientation you're looking for. Alternatively, there's another method you can use. In the upper left corner of the screen, click Menu, then select Print. This opens up the Print dialog box, which offers additional control over how your document appears. Navigate to the orientation option within the print settings. Here, select Portrait to ensure your document prints in the correct orientation. Once you've selected Portrait, click Print. The system will process your request and prepare the document for output. After that, you'll be prompted to choose where you want to save the file. Select your desired location on your computer, whether that's your desktop, Documents folder, or another directory. Then click Save, and that's it. Your PDF has been successfully converted from landscape to portrait orientation, ready for viewing or distribution in the correct format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.